In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you can make money online with Nike without having to fight bots and without having to stand in line at the store. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn step by step 5 ways that you can make money with Nike. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with everything from security cameras to stand mixers, web hosting, microwave soundbars, and even online courses. If you want real tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my free training to make money online with products that you already have. All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about something called the Nike affiliate program. I'm going to show you how much money you could potentially earn with this affiliate program, the benefits of taking advantage of this program, and all of the different ways that you can promote it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that I want to show you is the Nike affiliate program. So affiliate marketing is essentially recommending or selling other people's products and services. When you successfully recommend a product and you have someone click on your affiliate link, you can earn a commission or a portion of the sale. Nike, like many other Fortune 500 companies, have their own affiliate program, and as you can see on the screen here, they offer 11% commission to all valid sales. They have a 30-day cookie window, so that's the length of time your affiliate link is active anytime someone clicks on it, which is actually a pretty good length of time. And Nike has a strong brand name, so it makes it almost like a no-brainer. A couple more tips about affiliate marketing. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is you don't need to worry about shipping. You don't need to worry about customer service. You don't need to have your own product, and you can work with major companies. So now that we understand affiliate marketing and the Nike affiliate program, let's talk about some of the best ways to promote it. One of my favorite ways to promote it would simply be with YouTube. You come over to YouTube and you can type in something like Nike try on haul like this, and you're going to see that there are millions of people that are interested in these different types of try on hauls. A try on haul is just basically showing off what you've purchased recently from Nike. As you can see here, 218 views from just 2 days ago, 987 views, 15,000 views, 8.9 thousand views. There are thousands of views to be had with simple try-on hauls. And what you can do is, if we hit the space bar here, you can see there are different types of try-on hauls. There's leggings, there's pro, there's short, spandex, pro leggings, tempo, and this could actually work very well. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What you could do is come over to Nike and you can just pick one of the products that shows up and you can do a review and an unboxing. For example, let's look at these Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 39. We can do a review and then put your affiliate link in the description of your YouTube video. So if we just copy, where'd it go? Nike Pegasus 39, as you can see here, people are going to be copying or typing this exact product into the YouTube search bar. So as you can see, look at this. We have review, flyes, versus the 38, women's review, Bayou, white, release, on feet, black. Look at this. There are tons of different opportunities. So if we just click on review here, we're looking at the Nike Air Pegasus 39 review, 16,000 views from just 10 days ago. 34,000 views from 2 months ago, 20,000 views. And you can do this with any product over on Nike. Maybe there's football cleats, there's gym shoes, whatever it may be. But then there's yet another way. You can also do something like best men's or women's running shoes. Look at this, best men's running shoes. And you could put together a list of the 5 or 10 best Nike men's running shoes, and you're going to get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people interested. This one from 4 months ago, 157,000 views, 283,000 views, 556,000 views, 500,000 views talking about running shoes, and you can do this over and over again. And you can do the exact same thing over on TikTok. You could put together a list of the best men's running shoes. So if we come over to TikTok here, I'm just going to go up to the search bar and do best men's running shoes like this. Look at this, best men running shoes, best men's running shorts, best running gear for men. And by the way, Nike has all of these different things. So I'm just going to click on best male running shoes. Top result, 226,000 views, 17,000 views, 16,000 views. And what you'd want to do is say, hey, look, if you want my #1 recommended running shoe, click the link in my bio. People click on the link in the bio, they look at your website, and you can make money. Or you could actually direct link over to your favorite running shoes, but that's going to limit what you can do. In addition to best men's running shoes, you can also type in something like where to buy. If we come back over here to YouTube, and you can do the same thing over on TikTok, we can type in where to buy, look at this, where to buy cheap soccer cleats. And then you can actually refer people to the discount section of Nike. So there is yet another option. And then we can also do something like Nike versus. Now I'm going to talk about some other opportunities other than YouTube and TikTok, but you can see Nike versus Adidas football boots, Nike versus Adidas soccer cleats. Let's look at this one. And you're going to see, once again, 464,000 views, 1 million views, 96,000 views, just comparing Nike and Adidas soccer cleats. And then you can put your affiliate link in the description and make money. So these are some of the best ways. Another thing that you could do is you could do the sports content. One of the things that just happened recently was the NBA finals, right? And there are tons of people that were interested in talking about the NBA finals. So you could sign up to be an affiliate for Nike, and you could recommend the jerseys for the Warriors or the Celtics. You can see here, these videos got millions of views in a short period of time. You will need to be careful with the type of videos that you upload, because you'll have to worry about copyright infringement. Like this channel here, unless they have express written consent from NBA, they might be running into some issues. But you, once again, can put the links for the jerseys in the description of your videos and potentially make money. So let's talk about some other ways that you can make money outside of YouTube and TikTok. What you could also do is you could start a Facebook group. So if we come over to Facebook and we go to groups here, we're going to search a group. We can search, once again, like football, soccer. We can even do fan pages. What I would recommend, so if I click on groups once again, we could type in something like, Boston Celtics fan page. And the cool thing with these fan pages is it generates thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people that are interested. So if we look at these groups here, this is a public group, anyone can join. 112,000 members. There are over 10 posts a day, and these people are passionate about their teams. And if we look at Nike here, we can look at some of the sporting wear. We can look at the fan gear. So if we come down to fan gear, where did it go? Right there. If we can look at fan gear, we could go find different jerseys. We can find different new apparel. One of the cool things about sports franchises is they come out with new apparel every single year. And when there's new apparel, there's going to be people that are interested in buying it. So we could potentially promote new apparel and make money. You could actually, in fact, create one for every one of these teams and then just link to the Nike store. For example, let's say we wanted to create something for Alabama. We could create a Facebook group for Alabama fans. Call it Crimson Tide or, Roll Tide, whatever it may be. And then you could link out to these different products. Do you think there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that would be interested to coming to Facebook to talk about the Alabama Crimson Tide? Yes, and then you just link out to your, you add a pinned post to the top of your Facebook group. So anytime someone logs in to argue about Alabama, they see your post. You can also make a new post, say, hey, look, there's new gear in, click here to check it out. You put your affiliate link there, and that it could be an opportunity to make money. I really like this because it can be hands off. Once you get this up and running, once you start getting your first 1,000 members and they're all talking about the Celtics or Alabama, you basically can take a step back and make sure that people aren't abusing each other in these groups, and it can grow like wildfire. But you can do this with any team as long as they have a fan shop over on Nike. And I really like that opportunity. And you can essentially do the same thing for Instagram. If we came over to Instagram and we did Boston, let's do Chicago Bulls like this. And you're going to see that there are tons of people that are out here creating content about the Chicago Bulls. So if we look at Chicago Bulls Central, for example, just pick one at random, you can see 24,000 followers, 299 following. They're just posting images. And what they could do is this link here, you can see here, use code CBC for 15% off. This could be your affiliate link to this fan page. So, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you're going to get all sorts of different links. One of the links could be to this fan page. Let's see if we can scroll down and find the Bulls here. And when they click on the link, they go to the fan gear. And if they buy something, you can earn a commission. And once again, this is going to be a little bit more hands-on than the Facebook group. You're just going to need to maintain it and engage with people from time to time. But you can see this is actually really easy. Go grab some images off the internet. add in some rumors here like that. And the cool thing is rumors never have to be true. You could put this for every single player in the NBA and you're going to get people to click on it. You could say that Kyrie Irving, for example, look at this, Kevin Durant. There is literally no chance Kevin Durant's going to show up on the Bulls, but you can just put rumors and you're going to get people to click and buy. So I really like this opportunity. And the fourth way is actually with Twitter. If we take a look here, one of the most popular things, one of the best things that you can do is you can follow different trending topics over on Twitter. You can see over here on the right-hand side, Dodgers versus Braves. Take a look and see if any of these guys have different brand deals and sponsorships with Nike. And then anytime their name pops up, you can join the conversation and start commenting. So if we scroll through here, you could potentially see an opportunity to make money. One thing that you can do is you can come up here and you can type in last night the NHL Stanley Cup was decided, I believe, NHL. So if we look at this, we click here, you're going to see lots of people are talking about it. Then you can cross-reference and see if the NHL, the champions, Stanley Cup champions, have a page over here on Nike and recommend it. I don't know that NHL is affiliated, but then if they're not affiliated, you can find out if individual players or if they have different sports. So if we come down here and we look for hockey, we can recommend different things that like that. So I think there are tons of opportunities. Another way that you can make money is look at trending topics. So over on trends.google.com, I'm looking at real-time searches. These are things that are important as of this morning. You can see NHL. Once again, you can cross-reference and see if Sidney Crosby, for example, has a contract with Nike, then you can actually merge those two together. The cool thing is with real-time searches and daily searches is you can actually sort this by category. So we could come down here, select sports, for example, and then if they're talking about Wimbledon, which is coming up in the next few weeks, I believe, you can go and cross-reference the people that are playing in Wimbledon that are also signed with Nike, and then you can link those two together. You are going to be taking advantage of trending topics. Look at this. Over the past 24 hours, it has shot up in popularity. You can go through and do this. Soccer, Tampa Bay Lightning. Once again, you can see that there is tons of opportunity. So if I were to put together a game plan, one of the things that I would do is I would immediately start a Facebook group. Start a Facebook group but with your favorite team. Start a Facebook group with the team that you hate. For example, if you're a Laker fan and you hate the Boston Celtics, you could start a Facebook group, I hate the Celtics. You know, we bleed purple, for example. And you're going to get two types of people. You're going to get people that love the Lakers and you're going to get people that love the Celtics. They're going to come in and fight and argue and, you know, make your job easier. Because when people fight and argue and engage in your Facebook group, it's going to let Facebook know that this is a hot, relevant group and they should send this out to more people that are interested in the Lakers or the Celtics. And then those people are going to come in, fight and argue. You're going to drop in from time to time, add in your affiliate link to any new apparel. For example, we know that new apparel comes out all the time. With the Chicago Bulls, they usually go green for St. Patrick's Day. You can drop the green jersey and people will click and buy. Then I would also start a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel would either be popular for sports or it would be kind of the different try-on haul stuff. Best men's shoes for, that's another one that I really like. Clothing under, I would go that route and then make money. Now that you know 4 easy ways to make $100 per day with the Nike affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my free training to start an online business with products that you already have. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.